cooking channel. Today I'm preparing a half butt roast. I'm making Carnitas, pork Carnitas. So let's get started. The pork butt weighs 2.66 pounds. I'm going to cut the pork butt up into smaller pieces so I can brown it in the Instant Pot first before I start cooking it. I'm going to add the onions to the pot. I'm sauteing the pork butt. I added some more of the pork butt and also 3 bay leaves. I added all of the meat to the pot, so now I'm going to get ready to start with my seasoning on the meat, because I will be cooking it for about an hour. And a tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, teaspoon of basil, 1 tablespoon of chili, 1 tablespoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, tablespoon of cumin, and a half a teaspoon of thyme. I have one more ingredient that I will add. I have to figure out how spicy this is because I don't want to make the meat overly spicy. So I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cups of water. And natto seeds, because I don't want it to be too spicy. I'm adding a half a cup of vinegar. This is regular vinegar. I'm adding the annatto pepper seeds to the pot. A little turmeric in my pot. And that's about a tablespoon. So let's get everything mixed up in here. And we're gonna place the top on it and let it cook for an hour. Instant Pot on meat and stew. So that's what we're gonna do. Right. Just stop. Let me turn it off, and then I'm gonna press meat and stew, and then I'm gonna let it cook for one hour. And 1 pack of Stevie. And let me mix it up and put the top back on it again. Looking good already. The top on it. I just opened the pot and this is what it looks like. But what I'm going to do is place it in the oven so that it can brown up a little bit. It's looking good and it's smelling good in here. So let me go ahead and do that. I'll put it in the oven probably for about 16 minutes, 8 minutes on each side of the meat. So it can brown up a little bit. I'm going to add some sauce on top of it, some of the sauce. Okay, that's about enough. And I'll add a little more salt to the top of it. Just a little pepper. I just took them out of the oven. And they look delicious. Just adding some of the juice back on top of them. You'll have plenty of gravy if you make this, because I have a lot left over. But I just wanted to brown them up in the oven. I just left them in the oven for 15 minutes, so they look really good. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.